Govinda's hook step in What is your mobile number? Malaika. Well done. Very good. Hook step in Sheila Ki Jawani.
Sheila.
He has given up.
I've given up. Let her do it.
चने के पहले ये करो फिर चने
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ये है hook step.
Malaika Arora's hook step in Chaiya Chaiya. Well, hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita Brito and joining me today are the fabulous Malaika Arora and the dynamic Remo D'Souza. Well, hello. Hello guys, how are you all?
Yeah, good.
मेरे को लगता है मेरे में ही ज़्यादा एनर्जी सुबह सुबह की है।
नहीं, अच्छा है. Good.
Very good.
दिन ऐसे एनर्जी होना चाहिए
तो मैंने आपका दिन स्टार्ट वैसे ही करने वाली हूँ बट आई वांट टू सी सम एनर्जी फ्रॉम यू ऑल आल्सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस हुक स्टेप चैलेंज विद यू ऑल
Okay.
यू ऑल आर फैबुलस इन व्हाटएवर यू ऑल डू सो आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू ace this round as well. So I'm going to give you all the song name and the actor's name. You need to do the hook step of that actor's
Hook step
from that
of
song.
Okay, you
Okay.
will give the
So
song
for
and
example, हाँ शाहरुख from so and this song. So शाहरुख का hook step.
Okay.
ठीक है?
ठीक है.
चलो guys, let's see कैसे करते हैं ये
Okay,
दोनों.
let's go.
Ready? The first song is Govinda's hook step in What is your mobile number? Malaika. Well done. Very good.
Good.
Good start. Very
Too
good
quick,
start.
yeah?
Yeah. All right. Second one.
sentence तो खत्म होने दो. हाँ. Good.
Hrithik
Ready.
Roshan's hook step in Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Woohoo! Very well. 2 points.
God.
Come on. Okay.
Okay. Now,
come on Ramo you can do this come on
Salman Khan's hook step in O O Jaane Jana. He
This
got
one,
it first.
this
He
one.
got it first. Chalo. Great. Shah Rukh Khan's hook step in Lungi Dance. Yes.
नहीं होगा ना लुंगी उठा के यही करो ना
It's
अच्छा
Lungi
ये
Dance.
अच्छा
Lungi
ये
Dance,
अच्छा
yeah.
अच्छा हाँ okay okay
Yes,
okay
yes,
हाँ.
yes.
Done, done, done,
Well
done,
done.
done, हाँ. Oh,
Okay. Hook step of Natu Natu.
Done, done, done.
Yes. He got it. He got it. Well done.
चल
Madhuri Dixit's hook step in Chane ke Khet mein.
चने के चने के पहले ये करो फिर चने
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ये है hook step.
Who gets it? Remo.
Whatever.
Remo gets it. Remo gets it.
I was
Okay.
doing चने
अच्छा.
All right.
Okay. 3 all.
Yes. Malaika Arora's hook step in Chaiya Chaiya.
no
Chaiya
No.
Chaiya Chaiya Chaiya.
No.
I first got
You
this
did
and then
Munni.
I
You did Munni.
I did Munni and then I changed it
No. Then I did this.
You thought Munni.
in my head I thought
हाँ.
yeah that's right but then I did chaya
She gets it.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. Priyanka Chopra's hook step in Desi Girl.
नहीं देसी गर्ल
अच्छा ये भी था ना? ये नहीं था? ये मुन्नी का था? Oh God.
Wow, Malaika, you're too good.
चलो
And
very
quick,
good
Actually.
and quick
We have last 3.
oh
Okay.
So, Katrina's hook step in Sheila Ki Jawani.
Sheila
He has given up.
I've given up. Let her do it.
I look like I was killing machhar
Amazing. Lovely. Okay.
God.
Ranbir Kapoor's hook step from Balam Pichkari. This you should know.
बलम पिचकारी, तूने मुझे मारी, तो सीधी सादी चली, शराबी हो गई, जींद पहन के.
Well, chalo, he covered up. Okay, this is the last one.
तो full song आपने करी है
SRK's song hook step from काल काल में हम तुम करे धमाल.
काल में हम तुम करे कमाल
It's her song.
I did it no
अच्छा,
Yes,
correct.
she did it.
हाँ,
Well,
अच्छा ये वाला है.
इस काल काल में हम तुम करे
हम तुम something. it
हम
is,
तुम करे
धमाल. No, it is हाँ.
yeah.
Woohoo! Well, Malaika,
done.
clear
The winner.
winner.
The winner.
Yes.
Clear winner.
What's my prize?
आप क्या खा के आए थे सुबह सुबह?
यही. सब गानों की गोली खा गए
मैंने लेटेस्ट हिप हॉप के मैंने
एपिसोड देखे थे हाँ, इसीलिए
फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट
But we were discussing the show is doing amazing,
That's
and you know the response is also really well. You have joined this team which Remo was already part of. How does it feel?
I think, firstly, it's been an amazing experience, I have to say, completely out of my comfort zone. But thanks to him and all of them that they made me feel so, so completely at ease and everything, but loving it. And I think always, I mean, dance का show हो तो मज़ा बहुत ही आता है, and I'm really having a fantastic time. Amazing artists.
Yeah.
I'm learning so much. कि एक,
Yeah.
they're not just dancers; it's a community, and you
Yes.
got to, you know, keep all of that in mind. So yeah, it's been really
Amazing.
amazing.
But अगर आप दोनों को एक chance मिले, एक style that you have not tried at all in your careers, what would that be? What would you choose?
मतलब since I started dancing in my life, I always wanted to do ballet. Like a
I
ballet.
can teach
Very
you.
difficult also.
Yeah.
I can teach you. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Let's start. Now?
Let's do it. In
Let's do
heels.
it.
In heels.
In heels.
Stand first like this.
So Malaika is giving ballet class to Remo. Ooh.
फनी नहीं लग रहे हम लोग इस वाले ड्रेस में बैले करते हुए but
See,
I wanted to do that
That's
always
amazing.
Lovely.
I
You?
think अगर मुझे कोई style सीखना हो, I mean, whether it's like hip hop, groove or an afro, I love all of that. I would really like to try all of that. लेकिन अगर एक कोई style हो, then I would like to do a pure Indian dance form.
Oh,
That's
wow.
what I would
Nice.
like. Yeah.
like a
proper
Proper
classical,
Indian classical.
Indian classical, Bharatnatyam
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Nice.
Ooh,
Nice.
We have never seen you doing that. It would
So I
be
would like to do
amazing.
that.
yeah
Yes,
now
the
that
full-
you said I've
full
never seen
Arangetam
you.
style,
Yeah,
I want to do the
nice.
whole
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
There was a Marathi song that you did,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I did that.
Yeah,
Lavni
that,
and
yeah,
all.
Lavni. That also looks beautiful. So Bharatnatyam would look
Yeah,
amazing.
I'd like to do
on-
that.
Well, on that note, thank you so much.
Thank
it was
you.
lovely having
Thank
you all
you.
here and doing this with me. Thank you. It was
Thank you.
thank
Thank you so much. हमको आपने हमें
जगह दिया मैंने
Yes.
आपको.
Thank you. सुबह
सुबह सुबह
But it was good, yeah. You were too good.
I'm very. Where's my prize?
I will send it home. My love for now.
नहीं नहीं
Sorry.
I want prize. Love
क्या चाहिए आपको?
मतलब आप खुद
आपको
अपने के लिए रख
लेके
लो.
आओ.
मुझे prize
What do
चाहिए.
you want?
I will send you a
Easter
list.
is coming, so you.
I will send you a
Can I send
list.
you Easter eggs?
India Today?
Yes.
I'm sending India Today.
Thank you
Fantastic.
so
Thank you so much.